Picture this. In the early 2000s, a story surfaced about a man named Andrew Carlssin who turned $800 into $350 million in 2 weeks, claiming he was a time traveler from the year 2256. This intriguing tale, however, originated from a satirical publication, making it fiction, but it sparks an exciting question. What if we could actually know the future? The science behind time travel is more grounded in reality than you might expect, all starting with a mind-bending idea from Albert Einstein. This isn't just sci-fi. We'll explore real science pushing time travel beyond fantasy, from Einstein's revolutionary theories to paradoxes that challenge how we think about cause and effect. If you want your mind blown, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Fact 1. Time dilation, your real ticket to the future. First, here's the most scientifically confirmed aspect of time travel. Moving forward in time faster than normal is possible. In fact, every second you live, you're traveling forward in time. But what if you want to speed it up? Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity shows that as you travel closer to the speed of light, time actually slows down for you compared to someone at rest. So if you and a friend are both 30 years old and you jet off at 99% the speed of light while your friend stays on Earth, you might age only a few years, but decades pass for your friend. When you return, you'd effectively have traveled into their future. Gravity also affects time. Near massive objects like black holes, time slows down, providing another theoretical way to leap into the future. Fact 2. The grandfather paradox. How physics might save the past. This paradox asks, what if you went back in time and stopped your grandparents from meeting? Then, you'd never be born, so how could you have traveled back in the first place? This contradiction suggests backwards time travel may be impossible. But physicists have some fascinating responses. The Novikov self-consistency principle proposes that actions in the past cannot change history because whatever happens was always meant to happen. Your plans might fail, or events unfold differently to prevent paradoxes. Another perspective, the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics, suggests going back in time creates a new parallel timeline. So your original timeline stays intact and paradoxes vanish. Fact 3. The bootstrap paradox, when cause and effect get confused. Imagine this. A fan of Beethoven travels back with his music, but discovers Beethoven never existed. To preserve the music, he gives it to a publisher in the past, who spreads it. Centuries later, the same music reaches the fan again, who brought it back in time. So, who actually created the music? This is a bootstrap paradox, a causal loop where information or objects have no clear origin. Unlike the grandfather paradox, it doesn't cause logical contradictions, but it challenges our understanding of cause and effect. Fact 4. Wormholes, spacetime's hypothetical shortcut. How could you travel to the past? One idea is the wormhole, or Einstein-Rosen bridge, a theoretical tunnel connecting 2 points in spacetime. Instead of traveling across huge distances, you could enter one end of a wormhole and exit somewhere else in space and time instantly. General relativity allows wormholes mathematically, but they'd be extremely unstable and collapse quickly without something called exotic matter, hypothetical stuff with negative energy, which we've never observed. So for now, wormhole time travel remains a captivating theoretical possibility, not reality. Here's the takeaway. From proven time travel into the future with time dilation to paradoxes that twist our understanding of reality, exploring time remains one of science's most fascinating frontiers. The puzzle of why we don't meet tourists from the future, sometimes called the Fermi paradox of time travel, remains unanswered. If time travel ever becomes real, where are all the future visitors? So, what would you do if you had a time machine? Change history or just watch it unfold? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey through time's mysteries, like and subscribe for more amazing science.